check this out. This is the Mercedes-Benz 1000 SEL. This car was owned by the Kingfisher Group King Vijay Mallya. This is the craziest 123 I have ever seen. You would be a one in a lakh guy to see this car on roads. If you guys haven't spent your childhood watching Mr. Bean, you are of no use. This is epic. Guys, आप देख सकते हो कितना मैसिव है in person. I'm in the 0.5x mode and आप check out करो. Bro, this feels insane यार. इतनी कड़कती धूप में थोड़ा छाँव में आना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And you need to be a billionaire to have such a huge space just to park a piece that you have to put on display. But एक और fighter jet है, literally I'm not kidding and I'm pretty sure that it's from the Indian Army जो कि वहाँ खड़ा है. Guys, we saw the JDM collection and most of the cars were from the Joey Postal collection, but now it's time to take a look at these beautiful vintage Mercedes. Beginning from the start, here's a W123, the favorite Mercedes generation of mine and many other people. Another 123, a 124. Moving on, आप देख सकते हैं, a very cool, I mean the hottest W124 from amongst all that we saw just now. This is the 124 from the Wagon Works, and bhai, the yellow paint, the black tires, it truly makes this a one of a kind. Purple is definitely the color I would get in one of my dream specs. And oh boy, as I speak, आप check कर सकते हो. Bro, I guess this has some serious engine work done on this, and this is a sleeper car, definitely. Guys, अगर कोई crazy 123 आपने देखी होगी in your whole lifetime, so this would definitely be one of them, because ये है a W123 from the Vivek Motors all the way from Rajkot, and आप check कर सकते हो, this is actually an AMG as far as I know, or probably a body kit on it, but from the inside it's definitely got more upgrades, a crazier spec, and the pen stripping done on the car, the extra components, the wing, and आप देख सकते हो the AMG badge right over there. You have got two exhausts coming right out of the back, and bro, this is the craziest 123 I have ever seen till date, because just the front look of this car is enough to give you wet dreams. कुछ और Mercedes भी है यहाँ पे. I need to check this out. This is a Mercedes 220S Fintail, and even the plate on this thing is just to another level. आप check कर सकते हो the chrome detailing done on the car. This is the reason this is called a 220S Fintail, and the interior is up to the mark, definitely above the mark, and black car with red interiors. This is one of a kind. आगे बढ़ते हैं. You have got a W126 S class over there, the Mafia car, and यहाँ पर है an SL version of the Mercedes, which is a convertible. Here is a Mafia spec car, and this is the SL we all should be looking for, because let me show you something. Check this out. This has got a V12 inside the hood, and that's why this is a special SL. I bet guys you would have never seen, like, you would be a one in a lakh guy to see this car on roads, because even I'm seeing this for the first time. And if you see, it has got this badge on the car saying it's an AMG special edition, and I guess this is a Japan spec, a JDM spec. This car just looks like one of the SLs that you would see rolling on the road, but when you go to the back, you'll notice why this car is special. Here's an AMG, and the favorite, all-time favorite, Ambassador. Although it might be a V8, but we have something very special that is standing right beside it. Is this, boys, check this out. We have literally got a Ford F250 Super Duty pickup truck. Damn bro, this is epic. This is insane, क्योंकि check करो, it has got a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel engine, and of course it does justify, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी है, इतनी massive गाड़ी है, तो उसको पावर देने के लिए या उसके पीछे कभी कभी जो ट्रेलर्स लगे रहते हैं या ट्रक्स लगे रहते हैं तो उनको पुल करने के लिए यू डेफिनेटली नीड सम हैवी ड्यूटी इंजन, सो दैट डज जस्टिफाई। एंड इसके आप टायर्स चेक करो कितने मैसिव है ब्रो, इट इज़ डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द कार्स you would easily find rolling if you are in the United States or some other country. Guys, I'm not even kidding. This car is almost, I guess, 15 feet in length. Here is the smaller version and very previous gen Ford F-150 from the Joey Postal collection. Again, you can check this out. This is a proper pickup truck. You can see the badging and of course yaar, black car, and when the car has red interiors it definitely gets my heart. And इसके पीछे you have got nothing but some storage space, ऐसी कुछ लगती है पीछे से कुछ और SUVs. After we saw the Ford F-150 and 250, here's a Mahindra Jeep over here, and here's the Volkswagen camping van, Mitsubishi की Pajero, which is I guess owned by a doctor. If you know, you know. This is a Pajero Mini. यहाँ पर है एक Porsche की Cayenne S. There are some few cool cars here and there. आगे बढ़ते हैं. While we saw the Mercedes, here's an MG. Here are a few BMWs, the Beamers. Here's an M3. यहाँ पर है an E46 M3 convertible. Very few in the country, I guess, like one of 3 or 4 probably across the whole country, or might be even more. This is a vintage or a modern classic 3 Series M Sport. I mean, how often do you see these cars? Here's a car which has the brand name called Sahab. Bro, there's a Honda City. Here's a Toyota Crown, a vintage car, a Dodge. This is just a walkthrough, guys. अगर मैं हर एक गाड़ी के बारे में बताता बैठूंगा, it would literally take me a day. And this is another Toyota, the Toyota Crown. Here's a 7 Series, एक और probably a 5 Series. We have a C63 AMG. This SL is crazy, bro. My oh my, just take a look. This is the SL63 AMG with a V12 6.3 liter inside the hood. You can check it out. This is another Mercedes SL with a V8 engine. ये है a regular Mercedes-Benz SLK. And the car which will always have my heart. This is the Chevrolet Impala. When I'll be having that much bank balance, so one of the vintage car that I would have, so this would be it, the Chevy Impala. And इसका जो body line है ना, that is something which catches my heart, you know. And आप देख सकते हो अंदर से it has got some orange kind of interiors and it's a left-hand drive car. So definitely if you want to roll on the streets of Bombay, दिस इज़ अ गो टू कार. एंड जैसे मैं बॉम्बे की सड़कों की बात कर रहा था, अगर आपको ट्रैफिक पसंद नहीं है बॉम्बे का तो यू कैन गेट दिस क्यूट कार. कमेंट्स में बताओ गाइज मुझे इस गाड़ी का नाम क्या है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट दिस इज़ कॉल्ड, बट दिस इज़ अ प्रिटी स्मॉल कार, टाइनी कार आई वुड से, विच फिट्स ओनली 2 people and it's so small that you can even drive it considering as a rickshaw on the Mumbai streets. And you can see the reactions of the kids. Like बच्चे crazy हो रहे cars देखने के लिए. And as I speak, here's a Mini Cooper. If you guys haven't spent your childhood watching Mr. Bean, you are of no use because this is the car Mr. Bean used to drive. यहाँ पर है एक और W123 and a W126. So guys, while we are in the midst of the vlog, let me show you the star of the show, the star of the vintage Mercedes that are present over here. It is this car, the Mercedes-Benz 600 Crosser. The reason I say this is the star of the show, or at least the star of the vintage Mercedes that are present over here, आप देख सकते हो, this is proper the mafia car. And bro, I am just speechless. S600 Crosser. And guys, as far as the unrestored Mercedes-Benz comes into the picture, this is one of the very few which has been in its original paint, in its original conditions since brand new. And you can check, of course, there is some rust on the panels and the interior is pretty strong, as you would see from the inside as well. ये जो wood भी है, even that has not been restored. It is completely been here from the start in the same condition as it was when bought brand new. This was an automatic. आप chrome देख सकते हो. Even since so many years, like around 50-60 years, this car has been in the same condition, and the rust on the wheel caps is a proof of it. This is the Mercedes-Benz 1000 SEL, and hear me out guys, this car was owned by the Kingfisher Group king Vijay Mallya. I know it's very hard to believe, but yes guys, ये जो गाड़ी थी, this was previously owned by Vijay Mallya. अभी तो वो इंडिया में नहीं है. He has flown away to London, जहाँ पर वो बैठा है. And but yeah, you could see how the interior was back in the day. You have even got a clock over there in the center console at the back, and this is a proper limousine. There's a big antenna at the back. This is the W126 1000 SEL. Bro, the condition is immaculate. Guys, when it comes to W124s, this is not your regular W124. In fact, ये एक W124 की limousine है. Definitely the collector's item car when it comes to the W123 series. Even the wheel caps are original. You can check. ऐसा कुछ दिखता है इसका interior. I've not got the polarizer right now, but I'll definitely get one soon. क्योंकि like most of the times मुझे आपको interior दिखाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है to see how the inside actually looks like. The cockpit right over there and the nose of the jet. So yes guys, that's it for this vlog. That was it for this part of the vlog, because ये event इतना बड़ा है that it has almost over 200 plus cars. So this was just an overview of the modern classics, the JDMs and the vintage cars. But now in the part 2 you'll see some crazy supercars which are so rare that they exist, like 1 of 2 in the country, 1 of 4 in the country, 1 of 3 in the country. And make sure that you watch. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. The other links are in the description, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, क्योंकि इस सारे shows के updates मैं मेरे stories and YouTube के community में देते रहता हूँ. So yes guys, that's it for today. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next vlog.